The famous YouTuber KSI has been spotted training with the Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire. KSI is a YouTuber who has a 20 million plus subscribers. But why is he with Nonito Donaire? Last year, the KSI Logan Paul boxing match ended in a disappointing draw. Logan Paul is also a YouTuber with a 19.9 million subscribers. The never-ending beef between the two YouTubers resulted in a boxing match again. Now, KSI heavily prepares for his upcoming fight with the help of Nonito Donaire, which also has an upcoming fight with the Japanese Naoya Inoue.
Man, I am incredibly blessed to be having this opportunity. But main thing is, it brings a life in me. You know what I'm saying? It brings the fire in me. I always want to have a knockout. It's always been me. It's like I don't feel satisfied winning, but if it's a hard fight, yes. But when I can make it to a point where I take them out, that's the best. Being a personality, you know, and an influencer, it gives boxing the glory they deserve, you know.
Nonito Donaire is known for his precise and fast punches that can wear down an opponent, which can lead to a knockout. Donaire will fight on November 7th. With KSI having much talent to train with, will he be able to seal the deal with Logan Paul and win a decisive match?
My team is solid. I've got Larry Wade as my S&C. I've got Leon Williams also as S&C. I've got Vidal Riley, who's been with me from day. I've got Jeff Mayweather, who's just has so much knowledge defensively, just helping me make sure I'm on point. And Stitch, doing my raps. I mean, that's nuts in itself. I haven't Stitch do my rap. Just came through and just told me some like gems.
Their match is in November 9 at the Staples Center in Los Angeles, California. Will both fighters come up victorious against their respective opponents? Stay tuned!
Been waiting and waiting to get to Vegas because I know this is when the real work comes in. I know this is where so much boxing knowledge is here, and I'm able to just take everything that I need to take and literally just destroy Logan with it.
Kabayan, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.